Alright, so we're checking out the Lexus GX550. What do you guys have to think about this? This is pretty interesting, and it doesn't get any better when you see something like that. What the heck is that? Well, whatever, who cares? Let's go back to this car. Don't know what to say at this point, but just taking a look. It's a courtesy like demo kind of car that they're showing here at the Lexus store. The redeeming factor is still body on frame, but this is not a very good looking car at all. Please comment below if you agree or not. Very narrow, extremely narrow car. Looks like they had to do a lot of compromises to make this look like this. Another thing too, when you get up to the door handles, very chintzy, very hollow. The car is locked, so I do apologize for that. There's the interior. Nothing out of this ordinary. I don't know if I would get this at all. This is almost as ugly as the Wagoneer. And that's saying something. But all the Lexus fanboys are going to hate this one. Well, I don't really care. Have a great one. Take care.